If you've ever wanted to understand how Lucidchart works, this video is for you. Lucidchart is an easy-to-use online diagramming tool that helps you build flowcharts, mind maps, org charts, network diagrams, floor plans, and so much more, all with a simple drag-and-drop interface. It's also great for collaboration because you can work with other people in real time. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get started with Lucidchart step by step, from creating your first document to sharing and exporting your finished diagram. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Lucidchart website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the plus new button. Click that and you'll see options to start a blank document or choose from a template. If you're building something from scratch, select blank document. That's the best option if you want full control over your diagram and want to understand how Lucidchart works from the ground up. After your document opens, the next step is to enable the shape library you need. On the left side panel, click plus shapes at the bottom. A list of available shape libraries will appear, and from there you can check the one that matches your project. For example, if you're making a workflow, choose Flowchart. If you're working on technical planning, you might choose UML. Once you've selected your shapes, click Use Selected Shapes. Now you're ready to start building. To add shapes to the canvas, simply drag a shape from the left panel and drop it onto your workspace. Then double-click inside the shape to type your text. For example, if you're creating a simple flowchart, you might add a rectangle for start, another rectangle for enter details, and a diamond shape for approved. This is where Lucidchart becomes really intuitive because everything is visual and easy to move around. Next, you'll want to connect your shapes. Hover over a shape until you see the red connection points appear. Click and drag from one of those points to another shape, then release your mouse to create a connector line. This lets you show the flow between steps clearly, which is one of the most useful parts of how Lucidchart works. After that, it's time to format your diagram so it looks clean and professional. Select any shape or connector and then use the top toolbar to adjust things like fill color, border color, font size, text color, and line style. These formatting tools help you make your diagram easier to read and more polished overall. Once your diagram is ready, you can share it with others. Click the share button in the top right corner, enter the person's email address and choose whether they can view, comment, or edit. Then click send. This is especially helpful if you're working with a team and need feedback or collaboration in real time. And if you want to save your work outside of Lucidchart, you can export your diagram too. Click the three horizontal lines, choose export, and then pick a file format like PDF, PNG, SVG, or JPEG. After that, save the file to your computer. And that's the basic workflow. Sign in, create a document, enable your shapes, build your diagram, connect everything, format it, share it, and export it. Once you understand these steps, Lucidchart becomes a really powerful tool for planning, organizing, and visualizing ideas. If this walkthrough helped you understand how Lucidchart works, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.